Hello and welcome back. I hope that you're all having a great day today. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Theo. Welcome. So for today's video, guys, we're actually going to be taking a look at the new Sephora Favorites Give Me More Lip Kit. So if you're interested in seeing what lipsticks came inside of this kit and how they perform, stay tuned. So Sephora just released a bunch of kits for the holiday season, and one of the kits that they released is the Give Me More Lip Kit. And inside of this kit there are 8 lipsticks, 3 of which are full size and 5 deluxe size lipsticks. And here's what that looks like. Very, very cute. So inside this lip kit there are lipsticks from Makeup Forever, Yves St, Laurent, Kat Von D, Ilia, Fenty Beauty, Too Faced, Ta and Nars. Now the 3 full size in here are the ones from Ilia, Fenty, and Ta. And again, real quick, here's what that looks like. And let's go ahead and open it up. And it is really cute. It pulls directly up by the little tab here. And there are the lippies. So what I'm going to do with these is I'm going to swatch them and I'm going to try each one on for you. I'm only trying each one on because they are different brands and they may feel different on the lips, so I want to be able to tell you what they feel like and how they apply. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started. The first one we're starting with is the Makeup Forever Lippie. And this is a deluxe size, and here's what that looks like. Now the color for this one is actually not on the tube itself. The color is listed on the back of the box, and it is called Untamed Fire. Oh, this is beautiful. Here's what that looks like. It is a gorgeous red shade. And here's what that looks like swatched. That went on really nicely and it's absolutely beautiful. So let me go ahead and throw this on. This color is absolutely stunning. I love the way it looks on, and it applied so smooth and felt so creamy going on. Let me just give you a quick closer view. Here's what that looks like. And again, this is the Makeup Forever Untamed Fire, and this is a deluxe size, but there's quite a bit in here, and this would last for quite some time. Look at that. The next lipstick we have in the kit is from Yves St. Laurent, and this is their Rouge Per Couture lipstick in the color Le Rouge. And here's what the packaging looks like. The packaging is absolutely stunning. Look at that gold. I absolutely love that with their initials down the front. And here's what that color looks like. Another red. This one is gorgeous as well. And here's what that one looks like swatched. Now they are very, very close in color, those two. This one may have a little bit more of a pinkish hue to it, but they are very, very similar. But let's go ahead and try it on anyway. This glides on super creamy. I love the way it feels on the lips. Here's what that looks like. As I was saying, it goes on super, super creamy and super smooth. I love the way it felt going on. Let me go ahead and give you a close-up view. Again, it's very, very similar to the first color, but I think this just may have a little bit more hint of pinkish in it. So a little bit, maybe a tiny bit of a different color than the last one, but they're very, very similar. But again, I absolutely love this packaging. The packaging is absolutely stunning and it performs really, really well. The next lippie we have inside of the package is from KVD Vegan Beauty, formerly Kat Von D, and this is what that looks like. Again, it is another red lippie. And maybe they're giving so many reds because obviously it's the holiday season and red is pretty popular during the holidays. And this one is in the color Outlaw. Here is what Outlaw looks like. Now this one is a much deeper red than the other two that we tried on. This is hinting with a little bit of burgundy-ish in it. So let's go ahead and try that on. Here's what Outlaw looks like on the lips. Another absolutely stunning color. Now this one went on really nicely as well. It is drying down, so I'm guessing it's a matte or a semi-matte, but it doesn't feel overly drying. It actually feels really comfortable. I really like this color as well. And here's what it looks like up close. And again, this one is from KVD Beauty, and this little one here is 0.10 fluid ounces. So far, all of the lippies in here are applying really nicely, and I really do like the colors. I know there's a lot of reds, but I absolutely love reds, so for me, that's not a problem. And the first two, like I said, are very similar. This last one from KVD is definitely a bit darker than the other two. But we're getting ready to get into some different shades, so let's go ahead and continue. The next lipstick we have in this kit is from Ilia. I believe that's how it's pronounced. It's I-L-I-A. I've never tried the brand or never heard of it. And here's what that looks like. Now this product here is a full-size product. And this is in the color Arabian Nights. And here is what Arabian Nights looks like. And this is keeping the theme. And this one is in a deep red or slight burgundy-ish color. So let's go ahead and try it on. So I started putting this on and realizing that I'm really not getting much color payoff, and I'm wondering what's happening. And then I read the back of the box, and this is actually not a lipstick. It is a tinted lip conditioner. So it's more of like a lip balm or a lip moisturizer with a slight tint in it. And it does have a very, very slight tint. I'm not sure if you guys can see that. I'll come closer. But the tint to me is very, very slight. But it does feel really moisturizing on the lips. So this may be something good to put underneath one of your lipsticks, especially a matte lippie. Next up, we have a product from Fenty Beauty, and it is their Stunna Lip Paint, and this is in the color Unbutton. And here's what that looks like. The packaging is very, very pretty. And we're finally getting away from reds. Here's what that looks like swatched right there. So let's go ahead and give this a try. So here's what Unbutton looks like on me. Now it's not terrible, but it's definitely not a color that I would reach for on a regular basis. And if I were to wear this, I would definitely put on a lip liner to offset it, as well as probably putting a gloss on top of it. Now this is a matte product, and I can tell you that to me, it's feeling a little bit drier than I would like it to be. So what I would do with this is put a lip balm underneath to take away from some of that dryness that I'm getting. But anyway, let me come a little closer. Here's what that looks like. It's definitely more of a nude color on me. Now, one thing I wanted to point out about this particular lippie is the applicator. The applicator is a doe foot, but it's shaped a little bit differently. I'm not sure how much you can see. It's like the little tip there is kind of flat, which makes it kind of nice when you're applying the lippie because it's going like directly flatly onto the lips and you can just move it along. So I really do like this applicator. I think it's really neat. And the shape of the bottle itself reminds me of like a nail polish bottle. But this is very nice, from the design of the bottle to the design of the applicator. You can tell that there was a lot of thought put into this product. And if I didn't mention it, this product is a full-size product. The next lipstick that we have in this lip kit is from Too Faced, and it's their Melted Matte in the color Sellout. And here's what that looks like. This is like a neutral color. It's like a hint of pink in it to me. Let me go ahead and swatch it. That's a really pretty color. I like that. Look at that. That is the color Sellout. Now I have tried Too Faced Melted Matte before, and I think it's a pretty good lip product. So here's what Sellout looks like on the lips. Now this again did apply really comfortably, and it feels really good. Here's a close-up view for you. And like I said, I've tried the melted mattes before, and I do like them. So now I'm glad to have this color as well. I think it's a really pretty color, and I'm glad they're starting to diversify from the reds. Anyway, this is a deluxe size, and this is 0.1 fluid ounce. And this will last for quite some time, guys. Even using it on a regular basis, it's a really nice size. So we are down to the last two lipsticks, guys. And the next one in here is a full size, and it's from Ta, and it is in the color She's Independent. And here's what that looks like. Very pretty packaging. Now I have heard of this brand before, but I've never had the opportunity to try it, so I'm super excited to give it a try. Let's go ahead and swatch this color. This is a pretty neutral color as well. Here's what She's Independent looks like swatched. That is a very pretty neutral. So here's what She's Independent looks like on the lips. This applied really nicely as well. It's like a really creamy formula. And one of the things I like about this is the shape of the doe foot applicator. Let me show you that. It has a slight angle to it, which helps you to apply it a little bit better and a little bit smoother. I really do like the application with this. Let me go ahead and give you a closer view. Here She's Independent up close. Now with this, I would throw on a lip liner as well, just to give it a little more dimension. And again, guys, this is a full-size product. So the very last lipstick that we have inside of this kit is from NARS, and it's in the color, it looks like Blvd, and here's what that looks like. I always like NARS packaging. It's so simple, but so cute at the same time. And this is a deluxe size. Here's what that color looks like. And there's quite a bit of product in there for a deluxe size. Here's what Blvd looks like. Now it's very close to this one that we swatched up here. And which one was this? I believe this was the one from Too Faced here. They're very similar to me. This one may be a tad bit darker. Let's go ahead and put it on. So here's what this one looks like on. This went on really well, feels really creamy on the lips. It is a satin formula, and this color on the lips looks more rosy to me. It looks a lot different on my lips to me than it did swatched on my hand. I really do like this. Let me go ahead and come in and give you a better view. So here's what that looks like. And again, this one is a deluxe size, and this one is 0.05 ounces. So guys, that was everything inside of this Sephora Favorites Give Me More Lip Kit. Now, this kit does retail for $45, but the total value is $124. Again, we did get 3 full-size lipsticks and 5 deluxe-size lipsticks. Now, we did get quite a few reds in this kit, and then on the second half, the colors to me were really nice, but kind of similar as well. So even though I like every lipstick in here, I do wish there was a little bit more color variety, but I do kind of get the red theme for the holidays and then the neutral for those people who really like neutral colors. But anyway, let me know what color was your favorite color in this kit and if you'll be picking up one for yourself this holiday season. Well, anyway, that is all that I have for today. I thank you so much for spending a part of your day with me. If you're not tired of spending time with me yet, I'll go ahead and leave my latest video linked up here so you can check that out if you like as well. Before you head out, if you'd hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell, I would definitely appreciate it. And until next time, guys, have an absolutely fabulous day. Take care. Bye-bye.